Let me show you in this short video the power of LLM, but to specific how to run LLM on your local machine. So by the end of this video, you will be running one of the LLM on your own local machine. That's the idea. So here, if you can see, I'm using the ollama. That's the open source software. So that's the ollama I'm using, and I'm running the command ollama run llama 3.2. So I'm calling the model open source metas llama 3.2 version. That's the latest version which is available now. And after I run the command, it will install the model. It will install the necessary files, libraries. It will take some time. And then, of course, I'm going to go into detail, but just very quickly, I'm just trying to give you the preview, the power of LLM, which I was amazed to see that. And the moment when I installed this Llama, I started asking the question. So I just asked, hey, hello, I'm looking to find something new which can help people as well, and I can find purpose as well. And then would you ask me some questions so I can find myself and discover my purpose? So here I'm just questioning that LLM which I'm running on my local machine, and I'm asking, hey, LLM model, why don't you help me to find my purpose? And why don't you ask me some questions so that I can find myself? So I'm just trying to give you one of the demo, but then you can just try on your own. You can ask any specific questions what you want, and then the moment when I type this question, right, and then this is what its response. So basically, so this is my prompt. If I give very specific, that yeah, I'm looking to find something new. I'm looking to find purpose as well within me. Why don't you ask me? So I'm asking Llama model that, hey, would you ask me some questions so that I can find myself and discover my purpose? And then this is a response, right? So this is the response what it gave me. Okay, let's get started with some thought-provoking questions to help us get to know you better. And then it asked me these 5 questions, and then it is asking me to reply at least one of them. So this is so nicely. It asked me the questions that what activities, hobbies that I enjoyed in the past. What is it that I value the most, right? That I value the most important. So it's again giving me example. Like, do I value kindness? Do I value creativity? And what kind of impact do I want to make in this world, right? So it is giving me like simple answers, right? And then below, so then it says let's get started right here. Then it's my turn. So whenever you see prompt, right, it's typed by me, right? It's my prompt. So then this is what I gave as a response, right? I mean, yeah, this is what I gave as response. Yeah, response that yeah, this is what I like. I like to do anchoring, storytelling. I like to inspire people with stories, whatever, right? Blah blah blah. I just wrote something which I like, and then it responded me. Okay, it looks like this is what you want to do. You want to make a positive impact. You want to connect with others. You want to grow personally, and these are your values. These are the experiences which you enjoy. So it's listing my all my experiences which I enjoyed, which I had put in my prompt, but then it gives understanding, right? It gives its own answer that yeah, I love to connect with the people. I have natural ability to talk to the people. I want to inspire people. In fact, I want to not in fact, but I also want to entertain others as well. So it gives the understanding as well, right? So the moment when I say that I love to do storytelling, which means it understood that okay, I want to inspire people, I want to entertain others, because I mentioned that I want to make people laugh as well. That's also my another hobby. I want to inspire people. That's my another hobby. Or I'm good at storytelling. So that's what it's trying to you know understand myself, understand my personality. So this was just a quick 1 minute personality test I just did with this llama model. And I'll quickly show you how I install this model. It just takes very quickly, it's very quick steps, like kid steps. But I just thought to show you the power of running LLM right on your own machine, and you can really ask questions where you are really stuck, and then how it helps, right? So this is just one example which I gave. I'm just trying to get more detail. So then I ask, okay, no, but give me more options. So the choices what you gave that were little rough. I mean, which means I'm looking for more detailed options. So then it gave me so nicely detailed steps with actions that I can do podcasts. I can sign up for comedy writing course because I am good at maybe making people laugh. I'm good at public speaking, so it says, hey, why don't you do this, do this, do this, and then it's again asking me, okay, which areas, right, would you like to explore further out of all these areas, right? And the moment when I say that, okay, I want to look more into, for example, storytelling through podcasting, and now it's generating response, right? You can see this bar, right? And then yeah, you see, so then yeah, so now it's giving me again next steps. Okay, then if you want to do storytelling through podcasting, then it gives, okay, this is what you should be doing. You need to define your podcast niche, like what's your niche, what on what topic you want to have your podcast, what are your, I mean, what could be your episode ideas. You want to do like maybe mind mapping, you want to do free writing, I don't know, a lot of thing. And then I need to, it's asking me that this the third step, right, is that developing your podcast tone and style. It will be like friendly style, professional style, conversation style, humorous, serious, right? So it's giving me all the things. So it's again asking me the next question. It's similar to chat gpt if you have explored, right, where you to log in and then you can explore the chat gpt. But this is another way where, I want to just show you the power of running llm on your local machine. Now let me directly switch to installing ollama on your machine. So what you need to do is, so what I'll do is I'll quickly go to, just a second, I'll go to here. So let me go to here and hope I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do is, so you just need to go to this website, ollama. Just press enter. Go to this guy, right, ollama.com, and then you will get this screen at least by today's time. This is the screen what I'm getting, and then get up and running with large LLM models. So you just need to click on download. So I have already downloaded, but I'll just show you. And what it says, run Llama, Phi, Mistral, Gamma. Phi is from Microsoft, Llama is from Meta, right? And you just click on download, then it will ask you the operating systems. If you're a Windows, go for Windows, but make sure you meet the requirement. So you have to be Windows 10 or later. Linux is, yeah, so this is how Linux, you can use a curl command, it will install. For Mac, you need to have Mac 11, and then I mean, and then afterwards, right? Just click on download. The moment when you click on download, because I already downloaded, I'll just click still for that. But then when you click on download, it just like click and through. So see, this is what I downloaded. The moment when I downloaded, I just double click on it. It will, so I'm just showing you the max tabs, right? It's like any other program you install. It's simple, but I'm just trying to show you very quick thing. Just zip file, just click on it. It will spin up this icon, and then you just drop this icon to applications folder, and then Llama will spin up, and then you just, yeah, it says that's okay, and then it will just install it. And once your Llama is installed, right? Sorry, Ollama is installed, you just need to run this command only, ollama run, and select the model. So here I select a llama. You can select any other model as well. You want to select the Google's, I think there is another model as well, right? So these are the various models. If you go here, so if you want to run the llama, then go for this model. If you want to do QQ, then you go for this. Sorry, I'm bad at pronunciation. And Mistral, Gemma, I think Quen is from Alibaba, I think that's another model. So you can open all these models. If I go for this QQ, and then what it says, yeah, if I want to run this model, right, it's a focus on advancing AI reasoning capabilities. You just simply click on copy. I'm just giving you example if you want to run this model. So all these various models you can run. Ultimately, you simply copy the command, and then when you copy the command, you simply paste over here, right, on your prompt. Whenever you go to the terminal window, just prompt the same command, ollama run and qwq. This is what it says, right? So I think what I want to say is just practice. I just ask question because I'm working on to find a purpose and help people finding a purpose. That's what my podcast is. That's some other day I'll talk on it. But this is one of the thing which I like it. So why don't you ask any questions? You can ask questions that maybe I can just show you quickly while going as well. I want to learn Hindi language. I am just beginner level. Why don't you uh, teach me some Hindi language? Let's see what it says. So you are here, right? This is what you are looking at, right? So you see, so now it started explaining the alphabets, right? And then it's giving me namaste, which means like hello, goodbye. Dhanyavad in Hindi, which means thank you. Chalo, which means let's go. Kya hai, then what is it? मैं कैसे कहो, which means how do I say. So this is what it tries to give you some idea. Let me know, and then it asks, okay, what do you want to know next? Do you want to know grammar rules, vocab, pronunciation? So here I am not spending anything, right, to talk to this. There is no API key, there is no subscription. It's just on my local machine I am running. Just check out your local machine configuration, what you need to have. I think you need to have some minimum RAM capacity and some storage space, and then run this command. I just want to make sure. And then, yeah, that's what I just want to share, that just join me on this LLM journey. And then definitely, I hope you will like it. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you, my dear friends. And I'll just end this and keep doing LLM.